Meaning of duty-free shop.
Duty-free shop.
Duty-free shop.
Duty-free shop.
Duty-free shop. A duty-free shop is a retail store that sells goods to international travelers who are exempt from paying certain local or national taxes and duties. These shops are often found in airports, seaports, and other transportation hubs. The purpose of duty-free shopping is to allow travelers to buy goods such as alcohol, tobacco, perfume, and luxury items at a lower cost than they would pay in their home country due to the tax exemptions. The savings can be significant and make duty-free shopping a popular choice for many travelers.